Go home happy with the 2017 Toyota Prius Prime. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a Toyota Prius Prime, the advanced midsize hybrid that features a dual-motor drive system and charges in a standard household outlet. This super-efficient, future-focused four-door hatchback packs sophisticated style, creature comforts, a flexible interior, and a suite of safety and driver assistance features to energize you and keep you focused on every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, keyless start. Feel the lightness that comes from leaving a smaller footprint. Our staff is here to help you make it happen. We'll toss you the keys to the Prius Prime and help you take the next step on your driving journey.